Welcome everyone. This is just a short video to tell you what to do with the blower injector. Well, you might find yourself hearing slight tapping noise. This is a Volvo S40 with 1.9 turbo diesel engine. It's exactly the same diesel engine you might find in a Renault Traffic 115 DCI. It's 115 brake horsepower van. This is a Volvo S40 cab. Engine's pretty much the same. You probably find that most of the diesel engines are very similar, and the problems might be shared between them. This engine was making tapping like noise, so after close inspection I found that one of the injectors is actually blowing, is releasing the fuel and upwards instead of down towards the engine. So the culprit for that is a little copper washer that is located underneath the injector and seals it from happening just down. To find out, you can usually hear it, then you'll see the fuel coming up the injector. If you can't see it but you do suspect there might be injector, what you can use, it's a leak detector, spray on, you'll start bubbling up, or just simple detergent mixture, spray on, and you'll find what's going on. And if that's the problem, that's the case, to replace the little copper washer you have to remove the injector. It's really quite simple. It is a DIY job, you don't need many tools. What we use here is 17mm spanner. This one uses T40 star shape, and that's the injector. And you might find that down there, just behind that bolt, there's a fuel blowing back up. That means your injector is not sealing properly. If that's the case, to change it you have to remove it. Well, we're starting with removing the low retaining clip just here underneath the leak off pipe. It will be pulled out and then leak off pipe will just pop up. Then unplug the electrics and using 17mm spanner we undo the bolt that locates fuel pipe onto the injector, and we'll do the bolt that locates onto the rail down here that supplies the fuel. That comes away, that's already away, and then using our next tool you might find a little bit different. We're removing that bolt down there. That bolt will have to come out, and after that we're removing the injector. Clean the area, clean the injector. Remember to remove old washer, because that might not come out with the injector. You might have to take it out with some kind of tool or a wire. Then clean it all out, insert the new washer and put it back together, which is just reverse. Remember, insert the new washer, then insert the injector, then the retaining clip for the injector, which is that metal thing underneath the bolt. Then the bolt goes through it. Tighten up the bolt, but not fully, because you need to reattach the fuel supply. So once this fuel supply is back on, we can fasten that retaining clip, electrics, and that's it. It's done. It's really that simple. Thank you very much.